Alright, coming back to y'all one more time before I finish up. Go ahead and hit it with this mower. It's about to be dark 30 out here, so we're trying to go ahead and get it done today. That way we can start on this bright and early in the morning. Knock this little pile out. It's a lot of mildew, algae, whatever you call it. See my little jungle back here? It's probably about 2 miles worth of woods back there. Got snakes, raccoons, possums, and whatever else I ain't came across. As long as it stay out there, don't bother me, I ain't gonna bother it. But let me get this mower. Y'all watch my back. There we go. Y'all good? You don't see nothing back there, do you? Alright, good looking. Oh, almost lost y'all there for a second. Got the planes flying over. I'm in the flight path for the military. Got a little airport close also. But alright, we're finna knock this pile out and we'll see what this mower do to it. Be right back.